Good evening, students. You must have seen this notification from NTA yesterday. They have confirmed that they are going to go back to the pattern of NEET 2020, and before that, where 180 questions used to happen in 180 minutes. That means section B is removed now. You have to attempt 180 questions in 180 minutes. What does this mean for NEET 2025 aspirants? You're going to get less time. That is one. So start practicing questions in terms of 180 questions, 180 minutes. The other thing is, because of this, section B is removed, in which you had to attempt 10 questions out of 15. Most of the good students who are above cutoff area, typically would leave the difficult questions in section B and get all the 10 questions right. That is not going to happen now, which means the cutoff should come down. My estimate is around by 10 marks. So that is one. The second thing is what is going to happen on the testing you are doing on neetprep.com. So first of all is, classroom test would go into 180 question, 180 minute format from 16th February. Why can't it happen immediately? Because we have already prepared the papers, couriered it to the centers, and centers are going to conduct the tests that have been couriered to them. But what can you do? So first thing we are doing is we are instructing the centers to give only 180 minutes, right? And the second thing we expect you to do, this is, if you will, expert recommendation from our side, leave last 5 questions in each section, in each subject, let's say, section, subject, whatever you call it. There are 4 of them. So leave question number 46 to 50, leave question number 96 to 100, leave question number 146 to 150, and leave question number 196 to 200. Just assume these questions do not exist and attempt the paper then. And in 180 minutes, that gives you an opportunity to exactly feel what it takes to finish the paper in 180 question, 180 minute format. Please tell me in the comment section whether you have understood what I just told you. First thing is, centers are going to give you only 180 minutes starting from 2nd February test. Second thing is, what we expect is, don't attempt these questions. Then you are exactly in the situation of attempting 180 question, 180 minute. Don't read it, don't read, and don't attempt. So it becomes the exact situation like the actual situation which is going to happen in NEET 2025. Anyways, we are going to start changing the papers from 16th February onwards. So 2 papers, they are already at the centers, so we can't change them. There you can do this, which I just explained. And from 16th February onwards, you will get papers which are 180 question, 180 minute. Second thing, the tests which are on neetprep.com, which you custom generate. You generate tests through custom test generator. There, right now, they are section A, section B format. We are going to change them into normal question paper of 180 question, 180 minute by tomorrow night. So what I'm talking about, let me tell you. So you come to neetprep.com, custom test, right? You go here, custom chapter test. In this place, so what we are going to do is, these will remain 80 question, 80 minute, but there would not be any internal choice. This would remain 40 question, 40 minute, no internal choice, right? This would become 180 question, 180 minute, no internal choice. Monday night, wait for 2 more days and this will get done. Don't worry. Okay? And all the tests which are going to happen from now onwards in Jumbo Test Series would either be 180 question, 180 minute, or if they are part test or chapter wise test or unit wise test, there would be either 45 question in case of physics, chemistry, and 90 question in case of biology. That's it. As simple as this. Students, it is very, very important that you keep yourself insulated from a lot of distractions which are going to come because of these notifications. We will try and come here, tell you exactly how things are, what it means for you. But don't waste your time going through one video here, then another video, then another video, then another video. These videos, these notifications are not going to get you through NEET exam. What is going to get you through NEET exam is solid MCQ practice, solid testing, solidly identifying your weak areas, solidly giving time on those weak areas so that your score improves. Remember this, you cannot afford to get distracted. This thing is going to decide what you'll do for next 40 years. You should put all your time into what will move your NEET preparation forward, not things which are irrelevant. This thing was important. I have told you matters shut. I've told you what is going to happen in classroom test series. I've told you what is going to happen in custom test generator. And I've told you what will happen in jumbo test series. Any other question you have, you can ask me in the comment section, but I want promise from all of you. You're not going to get distracted with a lot of this noise that is going to happen around this notification, then another notification is going to come, some more news is going to come. You have to remain focused on your NEET preparation. You have to remain focused on your MCQ practice. You have to remain focused on your testing. All right, students.